Hi, my name is Pragnya. I'm working as a QA engineer at RaagviTech. Today in this video, I'm going through the topic record types in Salesforce. So the main agenda of the video will be learning the following topics in this video. What is a record type? The purpose of using the record types, how to create a record type, and the points to be noted while you are using a record type. So let's get in the first topic. What is a record type? These are the two definitions. Record types in Salesforce allow you to have different business process, picklist values, and page layouts to different users based on profile. You might create record types to differentiate your regular sales deals from your professional service engagements, offering different picklist values for each. And the other, record type is a tool provided by Salesforce which helps you to configure different business process, assign page layouts, and pick list values. Salesforce record types can be linked to user profiles and can be used in different ways. So these are the this is a definition of the record type, and this is an example picture how the number of record types can be shown in the org. So the purpose of using the record types, displaying different page layouts for one object based on certain criteria, and showing different pick list values based on this user criteria. So it will display the different page layouts and different pick list values based on the user criteria. It will manage the multiple divisions within the same Salesforce instance. It will select the layouts based on a pick list value, etc. Record types are used for storing the different types of information on the same object. It can assign different page layouts for different profiles on the same record type. And the administrators can associate record types with profiles so that different types of users should see different picklist values and the page layouts in the record details page. So let's get into the process for creating a record type. I'm logging into the Salesforce org. I'll just click on the object manager. These are some standard objects. So I'll select account standard object. I click on the record types. So here is how where we can create a record type. And for creating a record type, we need the existing page layouts and the existing users and the existing profiles. So these are the standard page layouts for the account object, account layout, account support layout, account sales layout, and account marketing layout. There are four layouts for an account object. So let's create a record type here. I click on the new button. If there is any existing record type, you will be getting here, or it will be taken as master record type. I'll give it as business account, the name of my record type. So here are the some listed list of profiles which are in my org. Here you can assign and give access to the each profile to access the record types. So if I make active a system administrator and standard user, only this profiles will be accessed to this particular record type. So like this, you can give the access to different profiles for for the record type. So I'll just make available for every profile and click on next button. So in the step two, we should assign the page layouts. As I said, there should be an existing page layouts. So here we'll be having two options. One is apply one layout to all profiles, and the other is apply a different layout for each profile. By selecting the first option, apply one layout to all the profiles, you can select the layout which the all the listed profiles can access. Or else if you select the second option, here you can assign different page layouts for different profiles. So here for standard platform user, I've assigned marketing layout. So for standard user, for account sales layout. So if this standard user profile logins, and if they want to this access this record type, so they'll be displaying this account sales layout. So I'll just select apply one layout to all profiles. Click on Save button. And our record type is created. Business account record type is created now. So these are some list of picklist values which you can edit here by based on the user requirement. You can add or remove the picklist values to be shown on the records detail page. So that's how it is. Let's navigate to the account and see. Click on new button. So I've selected the account layout. Yes, best account. So in this layout, there are two required fields like account name and the active field. So based on the user requirement, you can give which are fields to be entered by the user and which are the picklist values you can show here. So it will be based on the business process and the business requirement. I click on the save button. So here is my details page. So my account got created. So I want to create another account storing the different information. So I just want to store the different information. So I'll just straight away go to the object manager, click on account, click on record types, click on new button. So this time I'll create an person account, make it as active. So like same, you can assign whichever one. I'll just activate for the system administrator and the standard user, platform user. So I'm just giving the for access only to this profiles for this particular record type. Click on next button. So here I'll select apply a different layout for each profile. So here for system administrator, I'll select the account support layout, and for standard user, I'll give the support layout, and for standard platform user, I'll give the marketing layout. So if standard platform user is using that record type, he'll be having the marketing layout displayed and marketing layout pick list values. So my profile is now system administrator. As system administrator, I have access to the account support layout. Click on save button. So num person account record type is created. So here I can edit the pick list values whichever I need to show on the page layout or based on my requirement. After creating here, let's go to the account, click on new button. So here is my another record type is created, named with person account. Click on save, click on person account, click on next button. So this is the page layout of account. So here in this only we have only the account name as a required field. click on save button. So here is my another record is created. I'm storing the different type of data. So like this you can create the record types for use for storing the different type of data on the same object. So on the same object I'm storing my business account details and my person account details based on the requirement. So there is a difference between record types and page layouts. Record types let you offer different business process, picklist values, and page layouts to different users. For example, one of the most common use case of record types would be to create two different sales process on the opportunity object with each different sales tags and page layout. So here in the video, I've shown example using the account object. And coming to page layouts determine which fields are displayed to your users on a record. They allow you to add fields, sessions, links, custom buttons, and a few other features. So this is the difference between the record types and the page layouts. So there are some points to be noted while you are using the record types. So whenever the standard record type, normally the record type is created, then the standard record type field gets created. Whenever a user clone a record, then new record will get type of clone record. So whenever you can clone a record, like I'll click on new button. So here you have a business account and the existing person account. So if you select the business account, and you will be getting the type as, which is for the type as business account. So the next point, only admins and users with customized applications can create record types. Record types are majorly used to manage different business process. Single user can access the multiple page layouts using the record types. So single user, like I'm a system administrator, so I have access the multiple page layouts in the accounts using the using the record types on the same object. That's it in the video. Hope it is helpful. Thank you.